Hi friends, thanks for joining me for Wallpaper Wednesday. Wallpaper Wednesday is an open collaboration and it is going to run through the end of February. It is hosted by me, Creating with Jovi, and this week we are making greeting cards out of wallpaper. If you would like to join in on Wallpaper Wednesday, use the hashtag Wallpaper Wednesday and link my channel in your description box, and I will link your channel in my description box. So, this is the wallpaper that I have chosen to work with this week. I think it's completely adorable. And I also decided that we'd work with this but make some Valentines. Now before I show you all my Valentine's goodies that I pulled out, I wanted to mention to check out my description box and visit the other collaborators that are joining in. Now I know it's a busy time of year, people are cleaning up after the holidays and this and that and the other, so I'm not sure how many people will be able to join in, but if you are, that would be great. So yeah, go to my description box and you can see the list of everybody who is participating or who has participated since the beginning of our collaboration. So these are some of the items that I have chosen to work with. I really wanted to make sure I get to squeeze in some Valentine's Day stuff because I want to. I love Valentine's Day. I think it's adorable. Everything's pink and red and lovely, and it's about love, and you know, I just think it's a fun day. So you know, I wanted to make sure I do it. My house is a little bit torn up because of some home improvements that are going on, and I knew that if I didn't make this happen, then I would completely miss out, and that certainly would not have made me happy at all. And I don't know about you guys, but I felt like, again, this year I didn't have enough time to do as much Christmas crafting as I would have liked to have done. I did get to do some, but not nearly as much as I thought I would, or you know, or that I could, or whatever. So I know that with this home improvement stuff going on, Valentine's Day is going to come and go quite rapidly, and I just don't want to miss out. So I'm going to do as much Valentine's stuff as I can. So I picked up this paper. Oh my Lord, I think it's all the same paper. Is it? Oh Lord. Well, okay, I'm gonna be able to share this with you guys because I don't know how much of the same I was wondering why I got it for such a good price. I got this at Tuesday morning, and let me see, what did I pay? Well, it says I paid $4.99, and it's nice heavy duty like cardstock paper. And this is the front, as you can see. This is the back. I thought there was going to be some different images in it, but clearly there is not. So that's pretty funny. I might list some of this in my Etsy shop, and by the time you see this video, you know, I probably will have done that if that's what I decide to do. So anyway, that's my collection of goodies. We're going to go ahead and get started.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. got the vibe, we got the vibe. Yeah, you and I, yeah, you and I. Still got the vibe, still got the vibe. Young ones come crushing down. They wanna feel the sun. Don't know what's in it now. They thought they seen the light. You better stay in those arms forever, where happy thoughts can live again. Yeah, we got older but still good together, together, you and I.
Friends, here are the Valentine's Day cards we made for Wallpaper Wednesday. They are in the shape of a slimline card. I love the way they turned out. I love that we got to use wallpaper and lace and some paper hearts and all that good stuff. I hope you like them too. Thanks for watching. See you soon.